Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you a tour of our home decorated for spring. It's DIY and Decor Challenge Day, so make sure to check out the link in the description box below where I'm putting a playlist, and there's going to be a whole bunch more spring-themed DIY and Decor videos. If you are taking part in the challenge today and you posted a spring-themed video and you mentioned this playlist, make sure to click on the link in the description box below to add your own video to the playlist. And after you finish watching my spring decor video, make sure to watch everybody else's. I can't wait to see them all. Spring has sprung. I am so happy it's here. We had the coldest winter we've ever had in 40 years here in Alberta, Canada. So I am so happy to see the sun and see the snow slowly melting. Today I want you to come along with me as I share with you our decor on our main floor of our home. So I'm going to share our living room, our breakfast nook, kitchen, and dining room all decorated for spring. And I hope you get some ideas on how you can decorate your own home for the season. Let's get started. So the first room to the right when you enter our home is our living room. This is the place where we spend a lot of time. I love how cozy it is, and I decided to decorate it in lavenders and aquas for spring. Those are my favorite colors for this season, and I just like the lightness and the crispness and kind of the romantic look of those colors together. Most of the furniture in our home is from The Brick. I partner with them a lot, so I will leave a link in the description box below to a blog post with all of the details on our furniture, like our sofa and chairs and our coffee table in here. The pillows are DIY. I sewed them with fabric I found at fabric.com. This pom-pom pillow is from Anthropologie, and I will leave a link to all the fabrics that I can find as well in the description box below. The board and batten is all DIY, and I love how it looks in this room. I like the contrast of the dark top paint with the bottom white paint, and I have to finish the board and batten on this side of the room, but I had to show you this side of the room because I love this little tea station that I made. It's a spring inspired tea station with just some really nice spring napkins and some aqua and lavender accents. I kept the mantle really French country inspired, so I used a nice French country looking mirror, some vintage books I found at Value Village, a lavender wreath I found at HomeSense, and then just some candlesticks. These tasseled pillows I found at H&M Home, and I also made this little book stack with a dollar store bag. I will leave a link to that DIY in the description box below as well. On the coffee table, I've decorated it with a aqua jug that I've had for a while, as well as some purplish gray flowers I found at Michael's. Here's another look at the DIY pillows that I made on our sofa. I love making new pillow covers every season because it is such an inexpensive way to change up the look of a space and just to add a whole new color scheme to a space, especially if you have neutral furniture. This is a great way to switch things up when you want a nice fresh change. I have a fiddly fig in the corner, which is still surviving. Hooray! It was a birthday present from my husband last fall. And here's some more DIY pillows on our chair on this side of the room. So I love how our living room looks. It's very cozy, and most people ask where our TV is. We do have a couple in the basement, and I will share our basement with you one day soon. So spinning around to our breakfast nook, it is just on the other side here of our living room. I did share a spring-inspired table setting here on the YouTube channel last week. I will leave a link to that below. So here's just a more simplified version of our breakfast nook. I really like the velvet chairs in here for spring, the green color. This sign is from William Ray Designs. And then I just put some white cushions on the bench seat. This bench seat was also a DIY. It's an IKEA hack out of kitchen cupboards. I'll leave a link to that down below. And then spinning around here from our breakfast nook is our kitchen. We did give our kitchen a little bit of a makeover at Christmas time last year. We added some black stainless steel appliances, and I'm really enjoying the very contrasted look here. So that black of the stainless steel appliances with our white upper cabinets and our black lower cabinets. I also did stain the countertops a little bit darker, and I'm enjoying that change as well, and it was really an inexpensive way to switch things up in here. I kept the island just very simple with some fruit, a Dollar Tree little centerpiece that I made. I have those canisters I found at Value Village in here. I had them in the washroom too, and they're in here as well. I'm just trying to decide where to put them. Everything else on the counter is very simple. I have some cutting boards I found at Walmart. I also got a new knife set this season, which is really exciting. You know you are in your late 30s when a knife set is like one of the most exciting things that happens to you. And then I have my mixer here. I did recently give my mixer a makeover actually after I filmed this video, so I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. I made a really pretty lavender decal with my Cricut. So here's how our kitchen looks for spring. Again, just kept it nice and simple and fresh, and it's ready for the season. And now the final room I want to show you is just down the hall from the kitchen, and it's our formal dining room. So again, the table and chairs in here are from the brick, and I painted the chairs last year and distressed them. I really like the white farmhouse look. I also wanted to keep this space really French country inspired. So I have this DIY macrame table runner. I'll leave a link to that below. And then I found this really pretty galvanized tray, and I added some moss and some faux bird's nests to it just for a really pretty fresh centerpiece. I made just some really simple table settings in here with some floral napkins and my aqua plates and my white plates from Walmart. And it's really simple but fresh. I just like the green and the white in here. On the sideboard, I have this eucalyptus swag, and I just added some faux lavender stems to it. And then on my vintage cane chairs, I again have some DIY pillows in my colors that I love this season, which is that lavender and aqua and the little bits of green. I think this room is fresh, it's light and bright. I'm enjoying all of the tones of aqua, the tones of lavender, and all the white. And I can't wait to entertain in this room this season. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that spring home tour. Let me know in the comments below which part of our spring home was your favorite. Again, make sure to check out the link in the description box below to the playlist of all of the other videos taking part in the spring DIY and decor challenge today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I post DIY and decor ideas on a budget with sort of a farmhouse, boho, French country spin. If you like that kind of thing, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all again in the next video. Bye.